Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to leave individual links to materials I get in this box in case you just want a few things but not everything from the box. Alright, so before I go any further, I just want to let you know I'm filming with my cell phone this time. I don't normally do this. I film with my video camera, which is like 11 years old. And I wanted to try this with my cell phone, and I don't know what it's going to be like. It might cut off after I get to a certain time, because every time I've ever watched anybody that has filmed with their cell phone, it cuts off at a certain time on them. So we'll see how this goes. I am on a wobbly tripod, so hopefully I don't bump in it too much. And I just want to let you guys know about that, alright? So let's see what this is going to be. And again, in case you're new to this box, this cord here is jewelry grade. It's wax cotton cord, and you can use this to make jewelry, so don't throw it away. And let's see what it's gonna be. I can't wait. I love this box. Okay, this is a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial showing you how to put together the pieces in this box. Alright, so let's see what the materials are gonna be. We have jump rings. Looks like a 4mm. And this is antique brass. This is different for me. I'm trying to learn this new camera system. Okay, so let's see. I think it looks clearer and brighter, but my tripod is directly in front of me, attached to my desk, and my old video camera was attached to the wall, so I really prefer that setup. But my other tripod is broken. So this here is 3mm Druks, and this is iris brown. And so it has, I'm waiting for my camera to focus. It has, come on, maybe I gotta click on the screen. It has mixes of gold, bronze, there's pinks, greens, sometimes purples in it. It's very beautiful. And I gotta watch my camera like a hawk to see if mine shuts off. There's a bunch in here. These are very pretty. I don't think I've ever had them in this size. I've always had them in 4mm, and I've had them in like 4mm fire polished. Okay, I gotta catch my runaway beads. I really love those. Pretty awesome. Okay, and then we have extender chain, and I want to see, is there one in here or two? There's one in here, so maybe that'll be for either the bracelet or the necklace. And then we have one ball head pin. It's a long one. It's like 1.5 inches long, maybe. Okay. And then 2 jump rings. These are 6mm. Boy, this feels so weird. I feel like I don't know where to put this stuff at to show you. We have 2 charms. I think these might be damselflies. These are cute. I think I've seen these before. Very cute. Aren't those precious? There's the back side. I just bumped the camera. It's not double-sided, but it is very cute. Okay. So if this cuts off, I'll have to start over from where I left off talking to you guys. We have some crimp beads, and this is the antique copper crimp beads. I love these so much that I went and ordered a whole bunch of them because you can buy them in bulk. They're really good quality. I think this camera is not focusing as well as my old one. Maybe I'm holding it too close. I don't know. But anyways, these are really nice quality. I love those. So I went and bought more of them. Oh, we got beads. Oh my gosh, a big bag of cathedral beads. Okay, let's open this. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of colors. I don't know if I have received this one yet or not. I know that I've got the cathedral beads from BohemStyle and the Czech Beads exclusive box. That's from Kraftka. I got these before in Picasso on the ends, but this one has metallic gold or bronze. They're beautiful. Look at this opal one right here. That's my favorite right there. That is so gorgeous. There's teal. I'm going to lay this down. Yellow, green. There's ruby. There's a orange. There's a topaz color. There's purple. There's different shades of blue. There's this sapphire blue. There's capri blue. And then there's teal. So 3 different colors that I see so far. Yeah, those are nice. And I should have got my bead scooper out because now I have to pick it all, put it back in the bag. And I don't have any fingernails right now because I did not feel like doing my nails for 6 hours. And I was in a hurry and I've been so busy. Did you guys see my last tutorial, by the way, since you're waiting for me to put these beads away? I did a tutorial on a butterfly bracelet. Can also be made into an anklet or choker. It was a ton of work for me. I put like 2 weeks into that tutorial. I'll put a picture up now of what I'm talking about in case you missed it. Alrighty, so more beads. Oh my gosh, just the 4mm cathedral. It's saying it has the gold or bronze on it. It's really pretty. How do I focus? Maybe it just looks blurry on my end. I don't know. Like it looks really blurry. Weird. Okay. Let's open this. So these are the same. But wait a second. No, they're not the same. No, they are the same. I just didn't notice it in the other one. This bead actually has a lining in it. And this color that's on the outside, on the ends, is also inside the bead. But I didn't notice that on the bigger ones. I do now, looking back though. I can see it on the bigger ones. I see it on the yellow ones mostly. Do you see there is a gold color in the center of the hole? That's also in this here. Darn it. I can't help but to touch the tripod. Yeah, those are pretty. Okay. One time I got cathedral beads that weren't faceted. These are faceted, you know. And this bead looks so strange without the facets on it. It looks like a completely different bead. Okay, we have bead string wire in gold or antique bronze. And then we have 2 8mm jump rings. And then 2 lobster claw clasps. So it's going to be a necklace and a bracelet. And a really pretty chain. Oh my gosh, I think it's the satellite chain? Is that what it's called? Can't see it in the bag. I gotta open it. This has what looks like little metal beads on it. I've seen this chain before in sterling silver. James Avery has this chain in sterling silver. Anyways, it's really cute. See the little gold beads on it? You know what? It looks like a crimp cover. If you look at it, there's a seam on it. I don't think all of the chains do. This satellite chain. See that? Can't see it. It's blurry. Okay. That's really nice. I think it's I think it might be 24 inches. Wild guess. Maybe 20 to 24 inches. I wonder if they're going to have it on the back and the beading on the front. That's what I always like to do. Wood chain like that. But we will see. It looks like a bag fell out of my box. Over here. This is a ball head pin. It's a short one compared to the other one. It's pretty short. That one's very long. Maybe we'll have more beads stacked on that one or something. Okay, that is everything in the box. Looks like we're going to have a less complicated design this month. We've had some really over-the-top designs with this box. And some of the designs I have put together with this box have taken me a very long time to put together. Like the flower one, that was awesome. I'll put a picture up of what I'm talking about. And there's been some other ones that had just amazing detail. Was it last month, the Picasso one? I don't know. I'll put some pictures up. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the opening, and remember, I'm going to put a link to the BohemStyle monthly subscription down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to put links to materials you'll see here. So if you want these gorgeous cathedral beads or these awesome druks, you'll see the links down there. That chain too, hopefully I can find that on their site. And the charms are adorable, and those are really good quality crimp beads if you would like to get those. Alright, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.